Oh, they're adorable. Look at this sweet little face. Yes,
And there was a
little
rose getting right from
horns.
there. No? And there was a goat. That was in an enclosure. And he had a
Did you
big
hear
rock.
that?
And,
Do something.
Paul and his buddy went in there once and just fed him people. And he ate it.
Oh, God, you're so cute. You want to get down? Do you want to get down? Okay.
Maybe that's what makes the milk come out.
It'll lift Mom's rear end right off the ground.
Is that right? She doesn't seem to mind. Oh, you guys are so... This is about as close to heaven as you can get. I even saw a chicken around here someplace.
You are very
Is it a young
nice.
horse? Is the horse young?
No, I think it's 4 or 5 years
4 or
old.
5 years old? He's real friendly.
Let's put her out in the pasture with her mama.
With all that excitement, she went over and took a nap. She could care less.
Her mama wanted our better. Holy cow, and it's like milking a cow. There's no way to fix it all. I guess, but did she make so much milk? That's wonderful. I made feta cheese out of it.
We had your feta
I
cheese
wouldn't
for
even
breakfast.
consider drinking cow milk.
I wouldn't either.
Now, you need to inject them for
Yeah, that's what Sherry's doing right now. She's giving them CDC. They're not really old enough yet. They could be like 6 months old before you.
You're a very lucky little goat. They're so trusting. They know we're not going to drop them.
Yeah, so that if I,
Get them steady there, yeah?
it would be
Is it
run
that
over.
here? Did you? Where's put my camera?
Yeah, I mean, it was really good. And that's
Take
how
a
I've been
picture
eating
of
my
me.
watercress and having it for lunch every day because I have my oatmeal for breakfast.
Look at
Instead of
that
my
face.
peanut butter,
Isn't
I'm
that
having
the cutest
watercress.
thing?
I ate the last one.
Boy, he's really sucking it down. Oops, you poked yourself in the eye, silly. Here you go.
Oh. Get you some food. You try and start them on grain so they start chewing a little bit. Good. Then we have hay and water if they want that.
Oh, so cute. You're such a cute baby.
This is number 5. We started again in January, calling him 1 again.
Oh,
so
is that right? So this is number 5.
this is number 5.
What number did you get up to before you went back to work?
We up to 23. It's called Sweet Feed for them. It's got a little bit of molasses on it just to get them to start eating.
But gosh, I can't believe he's only a week old.
He'll be weak tomorrow.
And he's huge. I expected a little, like a dog-sized animal.
He's still not steady in his feet. You can see he's still learning to.
Holstein, yes you are. Happy little Holstein. Oh God, they're cute.
You can have an 800-pound, because we're their mother, so up to 800 pounds, they still want us to love them and rub them, and yeah. They
Now,
know
about
us, they see me, and they'll come.
How much does this one weigh, do you think?
I have no idea.
How much do you weigh?
David picks them up and puts them in the carrier
Oh,
and
wow.
out, so I would say he might be 100 pounds.
I'll bet. Do you weigh 100 pounds?
Yeah, probably comparing with a dog.
Look at that
That
tongue.
looks about right.
That's a pretty
I have 4 baby chickens that we let them out, but they won't come out. They're so used to being in the pan that they.
If you give me a thumb, they think it's
Here, baby, here.
they'll
Suck,
suck on it.
suck on it. Yeah, that's true. You know cows.
Yeah.
Come here, baby. Oh my God!
I told you, honey.
It's like a nipple.
Oh, that is so cute.
good, doesn't it?
It feels great. They have no teeth, on the top. Just
Oh
the bottom.
my goodness. Oh, bless your
They
heart.
Yeah.
We've bonded. You're just a week old. You're just a baby. Just a little baby.
So sad to be taken off his mommy. Gonna run and jump?
Now, you bought her after you bought him after he was already born?
Yeah, they let him. This farm we get him from keeps him on the mother for 3 full days, which is nice. Most of them take him off immediately and then just put him on.
You're a Holstein. Did you know that? You're a Holstein.
Here comes one behind you, Rick.
You know, they are curious too. If you stop the car, because I have made Lenny stop a million times to let me get out and look at cows. They always come to the gate.
Granden.
True story.
Okay.
Yeah.
And she
I love true stories.
can feel
Tweenie.
what animals are feeling. And so she gets into the cattle industry and she designs the
She's
track
chewing your
where they
shirt,
have to
Rick.
get dipped for
He. You're a he, aren't you? Yes, you are a he. A little boy. You're just a little boy. Just a baby boy.
designs
13 right now.
Wow.
13.
And how often do you get babies, new
We
babies?
get them we get 2 every month.
Oh. They're following
If
you,
they
Len.
have them.
Len, you got followers. Turn around. They want to lick your skin. They want the salt or
They
minerals.
like to be scratched underneath their chin. They love that. And on top of their head. Isn't that like sandpaper?
Yeah, well, pretty good. Feels good.
Good? Does that feel good?
on the set of Dee's Farm Day. Hundreds of bees.
I told Avi, Avi Oski,
Yes.
I told him when he's going to do my landscaping, I want it all for bees.
Oh,
Everything
yeah.
that bees love.
Good idea.
And number 2, he loves to be rubbed. Hey, 2.